it's Carly, and in this video I'll be doing a Shein haul. Shein is a website that is based in China, and all of the products that they sell are really popular and really trendy. All of the clothing and accessories are really cheap and low priced. You can even get coupons and codes to make your purchase even cheaper. I thought this would be an amazing haul to do because I have been quarantine binge shopping lately, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so the first top that I got was this leopard print crop top cami, and it is in a velvet material. I got it in an extra small. It's super cute because it's velvet, and I've never really had a top that is like this material. I've always had like, you know, that sweatshirt or t-shirt material. This is really cute, and it'll go great in my collection. It would go great with some glam makeup. It would be a heck of a vibe. The next top that I got was this light purple violet colored crop cami, and it's super cute. I got it in a size extra small. The buttons can unbutton, so that's really convenient because you know those shirts where they just like the buttons don't work.
Bruh.
But these do, so hecka cute. Kind of grandma vibes, but like I kind of like it. The next shirt I got was this cropped cami tank top vibe. It is tie-dye. It's really pretty. I got it in a size extra small. Now, I don't really have complaints. I don't like to complain, but this shirt is really thin. You can see right through it, but I think if you had a really cute bralette or something like that, you could just put it right under there and it would be super cute. Next up, I got this light blue halter button-up top. It is so cute. It's got cute little buttons on it. It's shorter in the back. I got it in a size extra small. Next up, I got this. It's a tie-up crop top vibe. The back is my favorite thing ever. It is like all open, and you have these and you gotta like kind of weave them through. It's super cute. On the front, it just says California Dreams on it, and it is in a size extra small. Lastly, for the shirts, I got this. This is so cropped, may I just say. Like, it almost looks like a sports bra, but I think you could pull it off and get away with it like in the summertime. But it's so adorable, and I got it in a size extra small. Alright, the next part of the haul is going to be the bathing suit portion. This is really a gamble when ordering bathing suits online because you never know how they're gonna fit and you never know how the set is gonna come. But the first bathing suit that I got was this blue tie-dye bathing suit. It's super cute. There's pads inside of it, so it's great for, you know, swimming around. And then the bottoms are super cute as well. This is what they look like. May I just say, these bathing suit bottoms are way more than cheeky. It's just a line up my butt crack. And I did not think this is what it was gonna look like when I ordered it. I genuinely thought it was just gonna be like maybe a little cheeky on the sides, but this is like, yeah. The next suit I got was this yellow bikini top. It's exactly like the tie-dye one, except in yellow, but the bottoms are way more my style. They have a little bit more material back there for the cheeks, but it is really cute, and the strings aren't nearly as long as the tie-dye one, so I would highly recommend this suit. Next up, for this suit, I just got the top because I wanted a purple bathing suit, but I didn't really want like the whole suit. Pretty much the same as the other ones, it's just purple. These are really cute. Lastly, for the bathing suits, I got this cheetah print bathing suit. It is so cute. It's got this little hook on the sides where it comes together. And it's just short in the back. But the bottoms, like I said before, bottoms aren't the best for me because your girl's a little uneven there. These are high-waisted, and I knew it when I got it, it was gonna be high-waisted, but I've never had a high-waisted bathing suit before. But when I put these on, they just like slipped right off. So I might get them hemmed, bring them in. Next up, I'm gonna move on to the accessories. Personally, whenever I watch haul videos for clothing or whatever, I always love the accessories because I'm just that type of gal. I love accessorizing. So the first accessory I got was this black belt. It's black on the front. It's made really well, and then it's like this brown color. And it's got this little circle. And it's just belt. Alright, this next accessory, may I just say, it is really basic. I think a lot of girls are starting to get them now. But, you know, I'm just that basic. So I figured I would get a bucket hat. And not only a bucket hat, but a bucket hat in cow print. I love cows. I love print and hats. So I got this bucket hat. It's super cute. It's a really good material. And it is small, so it fits my head. Most hats don't fit my head because I'm a little small one. Alright, so the next accessories I got were this pack of butterfly jewelry. So it's so cute. It's just this little butterfly necklace, and then it also came with these little butterfly earrings. Next up, I got this super cute pack of necklaces. This is just a pearl necklace, and it comes with, it's like a little hoop right there, and you can just stick this through the hoop, and it's like a choker. And then it also came with this butterfly chain. It's like a lock on there. Adorable. All right. The next accessory is this pack of earrings. It is so cute. There's so many earrings in it. The only thing is, I would not recommend getting these if you do have sensitive ears or a new piercing, because they might get infected, considering that this is cheap costume jewelry. Next up, I got this pack of rings. I would not get in the water with them because, once again, it is cheap costume jewelry and it will make your fingers turn green. But other than that, I would highly recommend them. Finally, I got these sunglasses. They are so cute. They're like Hollywood glam style. I went to the beach with these a couple days ago and bam, they got cracked. But they were super cute when I had them and they were fun, but I'm just gonna have to get a new pair. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. All of my sizes and products that I showed in this video will be linked in the description below, as well as all of my social medias, so check them out. And Shein is an amazing site to go to get cheap, trendy clothing, and I would highly recommend it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. New content will be coming out soon. Bye!